Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a Yoyo brand I can't pronounce, so I'm not even going to try. And I actually don't have it right now. I'll have it in a few seconds, but it's a few days before I'm going to get it, and it's coming late because they said that the box was heavier than the normal shipping. And in the mystery box, and it's a mystery box, I didn't tell you that, in the mystery box it's supposed to have at least 2 yo-yos, and then if you get lucky, there's a 5% chance of getting every yo-yo in their collection. I'll link the yo-yo brand down there in the description. So maybe the $500 lucky box. So I would think that would be pretty cool if I got that. We're just gonna have to go check it out. I have a mystery box that I'm going to be unboxing. It is by, like I said, Big Bang Bandolores. Again, link in the description down there. I have it now, and I'm going to open up the box. Okay, so it looks like there is a note in here. I don't know if this is shipping. Thanks for the support. Enjoy. Paul Z. I think it's Paul Z. Yeah, that's shipping information. So, this is cool. It came in this little bag. Mystery. Okay, so now we're going to move to the top view. So, the mystery box, it looks pretty cool. Has this little thing here and then a massive amount of tape. So it could have every single yo-yo in their collection in here. And there's some gold wrapping. Open first. Okay, so there's an envelope. My dad and my friend over here, they're going insane. So that means I have one of every yo-yo in their collection, and it has a bunch of plastic bearings. First, the sticker. Okay, that's cool, there's a sticker. What is this? There's a bunch of plastic bearings, that's different, that's cool. Ceramic bearings. I don't know what this is. It's like a little lube.
Looks like lube.
Oh my word, it comes in this plastic satchel.
Oh, those are so cool.
Oh my word. It's green. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is so cool. Here, I'm gonna let my friend take this. This one would be...
This is really pretty. It's very intricate.
Yeah, it is intricate. I'm gonna have a review coming up on this. Comes with some string, which is always needed. Another burlap satchel, leather satchel. Oh my word. This one is the Vista, and it is usually $100. I think it's bimetal. It's bimetal, I think. The next one, cork. This is the cork, and it's like the size of the heist. It's usually $50. So there's those two. Here you go. You can use them. Woo!
Oh, it's like a turntable.
This is like I don't know what this one is. Endeavor Precious Metals. I think this is the nickel one. It's usually $130.
Nickel or silver?
Nickel or silver. I think it might be silver because of the look of it. So this is precious metal. It's usually $130. Another, I think this is the last yo-yo in there, and it is another black leather satchel thingy. Okay. Oh, that's cool.
Oh.
Do you know what this one is?
Endeavor.
Endeavor. This is the regular Endeavor. This is the precious metal Endeavor. Okay, so it's pink, half black. This is super cool. Oh my word. They're really, this one's probably the heaviest one. But one thing I do notice about these yo-yos is that they're really small, which is kind of fun, but still, they're small. So, in this entire mega box, it came with 4 yo-yos,
How many ceramic? 5 ceramic?
5 ceramic bearings,
Lube.
Strings.
lube,
Sticker.
string, sticker, and then I got some extra strings. So, yeah, I was not expecting this this pack out of everything here, but big thank you to the Big Bang Bandolers yo-yo. I will definitely link you in the description. Oh my word. I'm so excited about this. Thank you for all of these yo-yos here. I will definitely be doing a review on every single one of these, so stay tuned for those. See you in the next video. Bye.